Broader scope and cascade effect. Federated identity management refers to multiple enterprises that let their users use the same identification credentials, gaining access to the networks of all enterprises in the group. This broadens the scope and increases the probability of a cascading effect should an attack occur. A federated identity links a subject's electronic identity across separate identity management systems. For example, a subject may be able to log on to Yahoo with Google or Facebook credentials. This is an example of social login. The goal of federated identity management is to share identity information automatically across castle boundaries. From the individual user's perspective, this means a single sign-on to the web. It is imperative that organizations scrutinize the identifying information shared with partners. Social security numbers, names, and addresses may allow identity thieves the opportunity to steal this information from a partner to perpetrate fraud. The most common way to protect federated identity is to tie login ability to an authorized device.